Alright, so I got my chopped veggies all ready. Throw the pot, stew down, you know. The fish all seasoned and the coconut milk. Getting ready to extract some milk, throw in the veggies, throw this in a pot along with the fish. Let that stew down for a bit over on an outdoor fire. Getting the fire started. Throw on the spot. I'll give you guys a little look if I can get in here without burning myself. Smell that. Oh, that's all richness. Covered back. That's a lot of flavors. Alright, so we're a little ways into the cook, so I wanna throw that fish in now. Remember, fish don't take too long to cook, so which is why I'm putting it in late. A lot of heat. I had the fish soaked in orange and grapefruit, so it's almost cooked by the acid if you notice the white part at the bottom. Good. Alright, so that should be the end of it. Let me show you finished product. All that richness. Ooh, definitely ready for the eating. Right, fire's died down too, so should be okay. Get a plate, get some food out.